Hi, this is Jeff Glenser again, back on the 70 Camaro, sanding the undercarriage. Kind of a tedious job here. A lot of people don't know is like a lot of your, original body parts. They all have part numbers, even like these little floor plugs. These are factory. That way you always tell if something's been changed. Same with floor pans. Everything has numbers. All your plugs, even your little like e-brake. It's like the right side, the driver's side e-brake cable bracket. Part numbers and everything from the factory. So this is our first coat, epoxy primer. These are, I think, your rear gas tank strap mounts. Like I say, they all got part numbers. Even your subframe, rear subframe, has part numbers. Gas tank strap, a gas tank upper bracket. So I'm sanding the first sanding on this is like 120, 180 grit, depends. I don't care if it gets sand through. The runs are from, I used the inner spray tube to get the inner from Eastwood. They sell a tool with a tube on it, and you spray in and it just kind of like liquid runs out. It's good to do that before you prime because it'll eat up primer. If you do it after you prime it'll run it out. So it's best to do it before and then just primed over it, and I'll sand it out. This is like even like the rear trunk floor pan. It's got a part number. I guess for the, I think that bracket there is for the emissions. I think it was an emission vent bracket, where the vent tubes go to, I think. Driver's side, rear gas tank strap bracket. There's your vent again, right below the heater box opening. It's like the passenger side rear body mount. Part number and everything, whether it's a couple letters or something, it identifies it.